Alright guys, welcome to your 41st Intermediate Java tutorial, and again, like I said, this program is going to do three main things. It's going to wait for someone to connect to it. Once someone's connected, it's going to set up the streams or set up the connection between you and them. And the last thing it does is it runs the program while you are chatting, allows you to communicate with one another. So I think the easiest way to teach you guys how to do all this is just to do it in order. The first thing that I'm going to be teaching you guys in this video is how to wait for a connection so someone else can connect. So make sure that you are outside your start running method, and make sure you're inside your class, obviously. So this method is basically going to wait for connection. Then once you are connected, I just want to give you guys a nice little prompt on the screen that says, you're connected with, whatever their IP address is. Then display connection information. So again, remember that this method is called wait for connection. So might as well, I can type that, I'm not that lazy. So private void wait for connection, and it's not going to take any parameters, and what it's going to do is it's going to throw an IO exception. Alright, so we're good to go. So the first actually need to set up this socket. Now remember, the socket is the connection. A connection or socket someone. So it's not going to create, a billion empty sockets and then one time it 4.5.6. That's all. So basically, that is the end of this program. Basically, wait for a connection, which is the first method that we have to build. Is the first thing, the first time it gets called is going to give you a nice little prompt on the screen that says, you know what, all you're doing right now is waiting for a connection. It's going to wait for someone to connect, and once they finally do, a socket is going to be created. And once a socket gets created, it's going to say, okay, now you are connected to 456.7.8.9 or whatever the heck your IP address is. So there you have it. In the next tutorial, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the streams or the connections that pretty much allow you to send messages to the other person and receive messages from the other person. So that's what we have to look forward to. So thank you guys for watching, and we're going to subscribe and yada yada yada. See you later.